Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm catching you up for a very beautiful reason. Two of my best friends are meeting me today for brunch date, from which one of my best friends, whose name is Asha, and the second one is Mitali. Asha is getting married really soon. She called me up yesterday to give me this beautiful good news, and I'm really happy for her. God bless her. And the second friend of mine, Mitali, is not aware about this good news. We are going to reveal this big news to her when we meet her today for brunch date. So I'm getting ready for brunch. So I thought of getting ready in front of you so that you can see how I get ready in 5 minutes for brunch date. If you are interested to know what all products I use for this brunch date to get glammed up and will look very beautiful, you can keep watching this video. I'm going to see you in the further part of this video. Bye. So to quickly prep my skin, I'm going to use Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. I'm going to use major products from the Nykaa brand itself, and which products the brand has not launched yet, I'm going to switch to another brand. I think I'm going to use Maybelline for that. I'm quickly prepping my skin because it's really hot outside, so I need proper moisturization so that my makeup looks really fresh and not caked up. For foundation, I'm going to use Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. This is a very light consistency and lightweight anti-pollution foundation. I'm going to take one pump of this foundation and I'm going to apply a very thin layer of this foundation on my entire face. So keeping this makeup very minimalistic and on point, I'm going to make use of one product as multitasking. So I'm going to quickly take my kabuki brush and blend my foundation into my skin. I'm keeping this makeup very minimalistic, so I'm not layering my foundation, and I'm just working very beautifully with just one pump of this foundation. It's a really good foundation. You need not layer it up also to get extra coverage. One pump gives you a really beautiful coverage, as you can already see. It blends like a dream into my skin. So for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. As Nykaa has not launched any concealers yet, they have concealer in the form of a foundation stick, but I don't prefer using foundation stick as concealer, so I'm going to stick to my Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade medium and I'm going to conceal my under eyes. Taking a flat brush to conceal the under eyes. Nykaa, if you're listening and watching this video, we want a concealer, a liquid concealer from your brand. Do something for this. We really want, because your foundations are really on point, so we are waiting for your brand to launch concealers. A proper liquid concealer, I mean to say. I'm really excited to meet my friends today, so I'm doing my makeup in a hurry. But I'm going to blend everything seamlessly with a beauty blender. And I'm not using too much of products today because it's a brunch date, so I don't require to glam up like a bride today. So to set my concealer into place and not letting it budge, I'm going to use the Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm in the shade medium 25. I don't have any loose powder from Nykaa yet, so I thought of using whatever I have handy. I'm going to seal and lock my concealer into place so that my base does not budge. Whatever is left on the blender, I am taking it all over my face because I don't want my foundation to also crease. It has a little bit of coverage to it, so it is going to give me extra flawless effect on my skin. See, the base is looking so beautiful and on point. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section down below. So moving on to the brows, I'm going to use the Nykaa's Oh My Brow Brow Gel and a spoolie brush to brush all the hair in one direction so that I get the guideline where I need to fill in the brows. I'm going to use this mascara from Nykaa. This does the job of 2-in-1. It's a multitasking product. You can fill in your brows with this and also set your brows. So to give a little bit of color to my cheeks, I'm going to use the Nykaa's blush. This is in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. I'm going to use both these shades from the pan, dusting off the excess, and I'm going to apply it with a very light hand on my cheeks to make it look very flushed and very glowy. I'm giving a very feathered stroke to it, as you can see. I'm going to make use of this product, this Nykaa's blush. I'm going to make use of this as an eyeshadow also. So I'm going to take this shade, coral shade from the palette, on a very flat brush, and I'm going to work it on my eyes. I'm applying it on my entire eyelid as my base eyeshadow. Keeping it very simple, not doing any cut crease or outer corner, anything as such. Just applying this single shade on my entire eyelid. As you all know that I am a highlighter girl, so how can I forget my highlighter this time? I'm going to use the Nykaa's highlighter duo in the shade Glitterati. I'm going to use both these shades with a very light hand on a fan brush. As a fan brush applies a very light layer of highlighter on your face, I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face, not keeping my face bare. A little bit of sheen going on all over my face. You can see I'm applying it with a very light hand, applying whatever is left on the brush on my brow bone as well, so that the look ties up together really beautifully. So after I've done with all the makeup, the last step which is left in this makeup is my lipstick. So I'm going to prep my lips first. I'm using the Serial Kisser lip balm from Nykaa. This is in the flavor strawberry. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa's lipstick in the Masaba range, and this is in the shade Killing Me Softly. It's a very beautiful mauvish pinkish color, as you can see. This is going to complement my skin and also my dress, so I thought of going in with this color. I applied a coat of lip balm before that to give my lips a beautiful glossy effect. It's a really beautiful shade, as you can see. So I'm done with my entire makeup. I'm so happy with the way this is looking right now. It's so fresh, dewy, and also very carryable and wearable for any kind of brunch dates. So if you like this look, please give it a big thumbs up. So after I've quickly completed my makeup, I'm going to wear a beautiful piece of jewelry, a little bit jewelry, a good pair of watch, and a beautiful pair of studs I'm going to wear on this outfit, keeping it very simple and minimalistic. I'm going to wear a beautiful pair of studs. As you can see, they are really beautiful. I'm really excited to meet my friends and also to share that piece of information, a good news, to my bestie Mitali also. So guys, I'm all set to go and meet my friends today. And if you like this video and if you want to see such type of more videos on my channel, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.